First, turn right the release valve to the closed position. Place the coin cell into the crimping die slot with the negative terminal up, aligned and flat. Pressing the bar up and down to crimping the coin cell. Recommended pressure 80 to 100 kg per square centimeter. Stop pressing once reached. Turn left to open the release valve. Take out the sealed cell. Change cell from model 2030 to 2025 or 2016. Loosen the 4 fixing base screws. Rotate the mold clockwise to position 25. Tighten the 4 screws to crimp the CR 2025 cell. The sealing process for the CR 2025 is the same as for the CR 2032. Rotate the mold clockwise to position 16. Tighten the 4 screws to crimp the CR 2016 cell. To switch from 16 to 32, rotate the mold 2 turns counterclockwise to position 32.